Oh man, what's he?
Ball.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like a big pizza pie.
That's some more.
What? Joey, I think Louie needs help.
It's a good catch, Frank.
I need to take your rings off last night.
I got a water. Whoa! I got things. Yeah.
Hey, why are all these lights out?
Another one.
The very first time half of it's out.
I got some. Jim, start packing in my stuff. Ooh, I'm gonna open it for the Frank.
Becky, get this.
Take it.
Oh, jeez.
It's the legs. Legs for this.
Legs for the camera. I don't have to stand there and hold it. Not a big presence in the way of Bob, though.
Joey, turn that present sideways. What is it? Bob, you have this backwards. You have this backwards. That's Frankie. I mean, that's Louie. That's Frankie. Frank!
Yeah.
They gotta switch the... Yeah, see, I knew when I saw that pattern.
Wait a second.
Wait a minute, you guys are in the wrong spot.
Louie, these are your presents. Frankie, never your presents.
Sorry, this is yours.
Louie, these are yours over here. Those are Frankie's. Frankie's have the
Frank.
tree on it.
Look. Louis, I'll give you his
saw Louis.
with one present.
Turn. These are Louie's presents.
Bob,
Them are yours.
keep opening it up. That was an accident.
That was...
Are these
We
mine?
didn't read Santa's
What
signal.
is this?
Is these mine?
Here.
Yeah.
No, those are your dad's. What you got down there, baby?
Cards or something.
You got the Gold Ranger. Good.
Whoa, you get the Star Wars?
Louie, did you get Star Wars? Oh.
I'm gonna open this one.
Yes, I got
I don't know what this is. I think they're game pieces.
Huh?
That's a little football kicker you
Oh
get.
yeah.
Frankie, you can open up more, honey. Those are yours.
Oh yes.
What the heck's that?
Louie.
Just what I put on my vest too.
Huh?
Just what I put on my vest.
No.
You got a horse.
What you got there, Bob?
Just what I put on my vest too.
Cool shirt, but I don't know.
It's pajamas.
Well, look what he said.
Hey. Yeah. Cool. Awesome.
Did you say you wanted them? Like
Yes.
that?
What do you want to
Can I open another one?
What you got, Frank?
G.I. Joe.
Can I open another one?
Who's
Can
dividing
I
up?
open another one?
But you're dividing them up. Go ahead, Frankie. You can do more.
Whoa!
Frankie's
Oh,
supposed to
Mrs.
get the He's the one who ordered it.
Whoa!
What you got there, Joe?
Got a game for Game Boy.
Cool.
Madden 96.
That is a cool game.
Plays football.
My friend Brad. My friend Brad.
What's that, Lou?
Oh, it's awesome.
Be our trooper.
Awesome. Yes. Okay, can I help?
Go ahead.
Yeah, these little guys got more. They got some books and stuff.
On my list.
Good.
All right.
Cool.
What is that, Joe?
What did you?
It goes on my door.
Wow.
That was the one you wanted, right?
G.I. Joe.
Okay, I'm ready to open another one. Can
Go
I?
ahead, go ahead. Yes, you're doing good. Just as long as you slow down a little bit and don't swing slow.
What you got, Frankie?
What is that, Frank?
A game. Why don't you scoot him closer to you, Bobby?
Drinking
Is he
a
too
side.
close to you?
Shaking hard.
Cool.
Cool.
What's that, Joe?
It's that football kicker I wanted.
Oh, football?
Well, no, it's a tape.
Yeah. I like it.
Well, good.
Open another one. Pass
Go ahead, Frankie. You open some more, honey. Let me see.
on in 2 seconds.
Open it.
Oh, yes.
Oh, I got a case for my Game Boy.
The thing that I wanted.
That's the thing you wanted? What the heck is that thing you wanted? Spider-Man with the banged up arm and the damn metal and looks like he went to the hospital?
Look at that.
Power Rangers.
I'm on the run.
This was
Hold
for
on, Bob, a
Game
little
Boy
bit.
too?
It says Game Boy, don't it? It says,
Yeah.
oh, game system.
What is that?
No, I was just saying because they got a Game Gear in it.
No, it's just carrying kids.
Let me see.
Cool.
Yeah, it is.
Frankie, what'd you get?
What do you got, Bob?
Ah,
Whoa, how about that?
What is that,
stay
Frankie?
by the Santa Claus.
This is a different one. This is not the other one.
Yeah!
This is different.
Yeah, look what I got.
Turn your side.
Super Mario Land, the Game Boy.
Whoa.
Wait till you open
Look what I got. Bobby get the bite.
His forehead then.
it. One, I bet you one isn't in it.
That'll work.
I don't know.
I don't know if.
Let's see.
Frank, what
See
is
what Bobby's is, because
You
I
see
don't
what I
want
got?
to.
More sauce.
What is that?
Light.
It's got
Oh,
the
the light
Game
set?
Boy light.
More socks.
What you
Oh,
got,
right.
Frankie? Big boy underwear. You see what that is?
Geo ones.
Real ones.
What is that?
Oh, good. Uno, stack it. Go ahead,
Uno
honey.
Stacko.
Get over it.
What is that, Bob?
Uno Stacko.
Hey.
Awesome.
Louie, what are you doing over there?
See?
Get over it.
Get over
upside
upside
down.
down. Let's get over it, eh?
Get over it.
Another Dragon Heart guy.
What?
Another Dragon Heart guy.
You need a bunch of stuff?
Cool. You got socks.
Wow. Mommy.
Did they kill him, Joe?
Big holder too.
Let me see.
Bobby, look at that.
Hold it up, Bob.
Yeah, see.
Ah, shit.
That's what. That was.
You can
Don't
take that
open
one.
that.
I had that first, and I had two. Wood cheese.
Dominoes.
That's
You
all.
got
That was pretty
Amino
cool, eh, Joe?
Dominoes. Nice.
Listen to this, Bobby.
Joey got some light too.
Louie, there's one right there, honey.
Cool. Come on,
I
Ralph.
think he makes like 5 different sounds.
It's Ralph.
Mommy got some light too.
Good. What you got, baby? Be our trooper guy.
Whoa.
Good.
Whoa, I got a telescope.
A football game. Good. Honey, there's a big package right there for you.
Whoa, look at this, Bobby.
You got this too.
Oh, whew.
Hi, Birdie. You're gonna get nothing.
Oh. Cool. Louie, what is that? Wonder World.
Yes.
Try that.
What is that?
Cool.
You got Batman.
Oh, I got the pants for my split top.
Awesome.
I know that
Well,
wears
as
a
far as I
nice-
can stick in.
Now I'm opening them.
Choose. No, you get all your wrapper picked up first.
Just wait now.
Awesome.
Whoa! Bobby, come on. Bobby.
Slow down, Bob.
Woo, you got books.
Yeah, you know what that was. Frank, what is that? Dynamo?
Bob, get your butt out of the way.
I know the one thing that wasn't on the list. We're gonna borrow Grandpa's CB and set it up,
All right.
and then we'll try it.
You have socks on too? Go get a white paper garbage bag.
I get it.
Louie, what you got, honey?
The heck is that, Lou?
Cool! Oh,
here to pick the paper up.
Now be careful. Show to go stick.
Right side?
Right. Frankie's not even done. Honey, take your camera down there.
Okay. Hold on.
Look at him from another view. Come on, baby. I think you
Whoa,
need that
look
out
at
here.
that.
Dad, we're gonna go see inside now.
Okay?
Make sure you
Yeah.
got any toys here.
Yeah, make sure you're not throwing anything away and all this racket. Oh, Louie, come here.
Here, Frank.
Come here. Come see this. Come here.
Whoa, that is serious.
Come on. See this, boy.
What is that?
Can't wait till Papa and Grandma come over.
Hey, look at the horse with a stick.
You go. It's a horsey.
Almost just about everything I wanted.
Me too. That's the candy store. And the bike. See? You go.
You want to do Father's Day? Did you get one of these?
So. Oh, it's good.
What is that? Frank, show us this way.
You named him? Yes.
What the heck is that?
Wow.
Press his ear. Frank, press his ear.
Go show Daddy.
Press the horse's ear.
Have Daddy picture the pole.
His ear.
Oh, you can... What is that?
His ear.
Huh? Oh,
Press his ear.
Bob. They're
What?
just cards. It's just a bunch of football, little cards inside of it.
I know there's the.
Yeah.
Well, I thought this was the football.
No. Come on, a football.
Evan Smith, Brett Favre, Troy Aikman,
They're not real cards,
oh,
though.
Antonio Friedman.
Louis, they're not
Reggie Williams. How nice to meet this
They're
child.
not real cards.
John Elway. Mike Tyson. Lou.
They're not real cards.
Louis, wait, honey. Louis opened presents.
Hey, no, they're right there.
Those are other people's gifts.
Wow.
No. Wait a minute. Get him, please. Oh, did you already give it to him? Ooh.
Dad? The Megazord.
You got a Megazord.
Look
Look at how neat he is. Look at how neat he is.
Can I open?
Wow. Don't open no more until we read them. Oh, look. Joey.
What?
Look at. Isn't that watermelon one? What is it? But look. It was in my stock. It was that gumball?
Okay.
Is that a watermelon? It's got seeds in it.
Metal arm, all banged up.
Whoa! You got a farm thing. Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Paper picked up over there?
Well, that,
Totally.
huh?
Frankie, what'd you get, honey?
Yeah. It's just like a tornado.
What is that, Frank?
It's a farm.
What's the name of it?
No more, honey.
Able.
Bobby, you're supposed to pick up all the paper first, so we don't lose any parts.
We have most of it.
Well, look at all the paper I'm looking at right now.
Yeah, that's nice.
I don't know whose they are. Want to open up your big farm?
It's got a big farm.
Yeah. Yeah. I got a big one.
Yeah, we can talk about it.
Oh, and,
What's Louie doing?
Please, please.
Louie, did you show Daddy your horse?
Hey, you open up my present?
Yeah.
Cool. That was from me, Bobby, Louie. Louie, that's so funny from me, Bobby.
I want to play that. Dad!
What the
Frankie, don't step on the
Hey.
toy. Let's see. You want us to take it out for you?
Yeah.
Okay, bring it here.
These things are...
Batteries included. Hey, push the saddle. Here it flap. Here, flap. Here the horse gallop.
Things don't stay in though.
Don't move.
It's so big.
The button stuck down there?
Look, it's so big. It isn't.
Oh, before we open that up.
Come here. We'll open one at a time,
That
honey.
thing goes in there.
Just a little press a little button there.
Come here, honey.
No.
You still got the camera on?
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
Pointing right at me.
Do you know this one makes noise too?
Yeah, man.
Merry Christmas. Wish you the Merry Christmas. Mommy, what ring you got?
Wow, Beetleborg.
Beetleborg, the green Beetleborg too.
We don't want this horsey to fall out.
Hey, Mommy, it's a cool toy.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
This is a boy toy.
can I open the present situation? Hi.
What's real?
Oops, it's a... I wonder why. Oh, I wonder why.
That's what's in it.
That's why. I don't know.
Oh, cool, honey. Wrapped around the tail. Jesus Christ. What is this? Look at me. Oh, cool.
I gotta open up.
Don't style it now.
I don't do that something.
Wait, I have to get all the plastic off of it. No, don't rip. Don't I'll do it. Here, this is the comb. The comb is hair.
Oh, I got this first. What is this?
Oh, that's just a part of the garbage. Okay, comb is hair. All right. Wait a minute. I got one more thing.
Mommy, look at this.
Yep. Okay. Says, close it on its hind legs. Wait a minute. Okay, don't do it like that. You'll break it. Let's see what the directions say. This is the horse's name
You styling?
is Gray Ghost. How does it?